Camtasia 2023 is here. My name is Joe, and I cannot wait to show you all of the ways that this is not only the best release we've ever made for Camtasia, but it's gonna bring out the best in you as a creator, not only to make more engaging content and more memorable, accessible content, but to really connect with your audience, with your personal brand and style leading the way. So let's go ahead and walk through a few examples here of just how this is gonna change the way you make videos. Let's start with the hero of all screen videos, the cursor. Camtasia 2023 is going to lift your cursor off your screen recordings and connect with your viewers in a real meaningful way. Let's go ahead and start with an example of like what most content out in the world looks like. You look at screen videos out on YouTube or anywhere else and you're gonna see tiny little cursors. In Camtasia, what we allow you to do is scale up those cursors to any size you want with vector replacements. It doesn't matter how precise you are because it's always gonna be sharp and it's always gonna look really professional. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to another level. What if I wanna use my corporate branding, my colors? So I'm gonna use the new cursor color effect. I'm gonna drag it on and you can see right away I have this ability to just swap some colors around. Let's see, I'll go ahead and use like this nice color, and why not an indigo? And just like that, it's gonna apply to all my cursors. I'll go ahead and play back, and I get this really nice look. Camtasia also allows you to edit the cursor path. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my path editing mode. You can see where my path has traveled from and where it's going to, and I'm just gonna move some things aside here so that I'm not covering up content. Obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just making it nice and smooth and better. I get this really nice, smooth animation. Now, I can also use my own images as cursors in Camtasia 2023. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the cursor image panel, and I'm gonna go ahead and select the Camtasia logo. And just like that, I have this really nice look, this really cool cursor that's branded. I can also import my own avatar. So here I've got my avatar, and now I'm able to sort of go through a nice little presentation with my viewers with my avatar. I can also communicate collaboration. So I can go to the next change here, and let's go ahead and select my friend Courtney. And so she's gonna now be presenting. And so I have the story of collaboration in this video as well, just using the cursor. We've also added an entire set of neon cursors exclusive to Camtasia 2023. And you can look through these. They're beautifully designed by our designer, Coco. I mean, you really have an over-the-top presentation, and just get ready to wow your viewers because frankly, like, there's nothing better than a cursor unicorn. And just take a look. We've also put the cursor images on the timeline so you can find where each action happens to not only switch out the cursor images, but also see where the edit points can be in your video. Have you ever wanted to blend your footage in with another scene and just create that sense of depth and realism? You know, really pull your viewers in? Well, in Camtasia 2023, we've introduced the corner pinning canvas editing mode. And what this allows you to do is edit your footage into other scenes in perspective. And it's super fun. With just a few clicks on the corners, you get some really great results. So here you can see I have this nice over-the-shoulder iPhone shot, and I've got some mobile footage that I took. I'm just gonna go ahead and move this closer to the iPhone, maybe enlarge this a little bit. And I'm just gonna enter the corner pinning mode at the top of the screen. And once I'm in this mode, I can just grab a hold of some corners, and I'm just gonna match them up. So left to left, right to right, and you can see really quickly here, this is all starting to come together with just a couple click and drags. I'm able to get a really nice effect. And so you can see this looks really immersive. Another new way you can add expressive quality to your videos and increase the visual interest is the new motion path effect. Basically, you can take that cursor path swoosh that you see in our cursor path editing and add it to any footage you can import into Camtasia, including titles that you get from our Camtasia 2023 library. So here I have an example where I have 3 steps, and I'm just gonna start by dragging a path effect onto the first step, and let's go ahead and have it start, say right about here, and you can see I get this nice little slide down. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select this end point, and I'm just gonna move it to the upper left quadrant of my window here, because I'm trying to describe the Camtasia workflow. And so I'm gonna go ahead and have that, say right about there. And let's go ahead and drag the path effect on over to step 2 here, and let's have it start, right about there. Again, I get that nice little slide, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that endpoint, and let's have it animate all the way right here to the bottom. And finally, step 3, I drag it on, and I'll have it start right about here, and it goes right to about where I need it into this upper right quadrant. And let's go ahead and see what we get just with a few simple clicks. really easy to add some expressive quality that makes the video easier to follow. One of my favorite new features of Camtasia 2023 is located in the Camtasia 2023 library, and they're called dynamic backgrounds. They're motion backgrounds that allow you to customize and personalize to really your heart's content. Let me just show you how easy and fun this is. So I'm going to go ahead and select this radial lights I have going here, and I can really quickly locate the properties and start changing colors. So let's go ahead and add some yellow in here, maybe a little magenta. And then when I start playing around with these sliders, I can make it go faster, I can slow it down, I can change this into more of a wave, I can make the lights smaller, I can make them larger, I can change the angle, and without really any effort, it just looks beautiful. Now, I could also apply this to titling, I can put footage over top of this, and you get this really beautiful look. And we didn't stop there. We added over 30 new Camtasia filters to the visual effects library. These allow you to quickly change the look, feel, and overall mood of a scene by just simply clicking and dragging and adding these to your footage. We've also added the ability to customize dynamic motion graphics called Lottie files. They're found all over the web and in the Camtasia 2023 library. Here I have a UI element animating, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and select it, and let's change the color to something more expressive here. Let's go, yeah, that's kind of a nice color. Just opening the color picker, I get a really nice look. Let's move to one that's perhaps a little bit more expressive here. It's this really cool character, levitating with all these ideas and knowledge. So let's go ahead and select this character and make it pop a little bit more. So let's go ahead and make the hair a little brighter, and let's go ahead and change, how about the shirt color? And you can see I kind of get that book with it for free. I can go for real dark or real bright. How about we go with that indigo? And let's see, how about we start changing some of these colors around too? So I can sort of darken these. Maybe I can add a little bit more contrast this way and just get a little bit more of a refined look for my video. And let's take a look at what this looks like. Color is so much fun to play with, and Lottie files are just a whole other level of expression for your videos. Create a beautiful composition with our new canvas rulers and guides. Simply click on a ruler, drag a guide out, and after a few clicks, you'll have a perfect layout just ready to be made. We've also added the ability to launch any TechSmith recorder right from inside of Camtasia. If you have Snagit or Audio installed, simply click on the app recorder launcher and you can go gather your audio footage and your images from your favorite TechSmith apps. And there's a new visual effect that has some real smart horsepower, and that is our background removal effect. Get the look that you see on the TikToks of the world and all over social media by just simply dragging this effect onto your webcam footage and watch as your background disappears. Camtasia 2023 is loaded with amazing capabilities, and we really only just scratched the surface of all that's in this awesome release. I hope you'll go out and get it today and join me in this amazing creative journey that we have in front of us.